Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a super powerful, high-frequency pen-style electric arc metal engraver circuit using just a simple 555 timer IC and a power MOSFET. Now, this project idea actually came directly from one of my blog readers, Mr. August. He previously built a crude engraver using an old 6V transformer and a tractor regulator coil. But he was looking for a much smoother, pen-style engraver that can etch permanent, dark letters on metal using high-frequency electric sparks instead of relying on heavy mechanical vibration. So, I came up with this neat solution for all of you. Let's quickly look at how this circuit works. The brain of this circuit is the classic IC555, wired here as a high-frequency PWM oscillator. It runs somewhere between 1 kHz and 10 kHz depending on the 1 nanofarad capacitor connected across pins 2 and 6. By adding two 1N4148 diodes along with a 5K potentiometer, we can easily adjust the duty cycle, meaning the on and off time of the output pulse. When you turn this 5K pot, it acts directly as your spark intensity control. Turn it down for fine, light lines on metal, or turn it up for deep, dark etching. The output from pin 3 of the 555 goes directly to the gate of our IRFZ44N MOSFET through a low-value 10 ohm resistor. Across the drain and source of the MOSFET, we have a 10 nanofarads 2 kV high-voltage capacitor to absorb high-voltage flyback spikes when the spark breaks, protecting our MOSFET from getting destroyed. For the main power supply, we're using plus 15 VDC with a 10 amp capacity. Notice this heavy 1 ohm 50 watt wire-wound resistor connected in series on the positive line? This is super important because it acts as a current limiter. Otherwise, your power supply would short out every time the tungsten tip touches the metal plate. From this resistor, a heavy wire with a crocodile clip attaches directly to your workpiece. Finally, the drain of the MOSFET connects to our pen stylus. Inside the stylus, we place a sharp tungsten rod, like a TIG welding electrode. When you touch this sharp tungsten tip onto the clamped metal workpiece, thousands of tiny, high-frequency microarcs jump across every second, smoothly burning and etching your writing onto the metal just like a pencil, with zero heavy vibration. To build it, assemble the 555 circuit on a small 0 PCB. Mount the IRFZ44N MOSFET onto a good-sized aluminum heatsink. Use thick copper wires for the high current path, the plus 15V line, 50W resistor, ground clip, and stylus cable. House your tungsten tip inside a plastic or wooden tube so your hand stays cool while writing. To test it, clamp the crocodile clip to a piece of steel or aluminum, set your 5K pot to the middle, turn on your 15V supply, and start writing. Adjust the pot until you get the perfect spark intensity for your metal. So that's it, friends. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your fellow makers, and subscribe to the channel for more detailed DIY electronic circuits. If you have any doubts, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.